What is DynamoDB adaptive capacity for Bursty AWS Lambda? Imagine your application suddenly gets a flood of users or data changes. How does your database keep up without slowing down or losing data? That's where DynamoDB adaptive capacity comes into play. It's a smart feature built into Amazon DynamoDB, a NoSQL database service that helps manage uneven data access patterns, especially when paired with AWS Lambda for event-driven tasks. DynamoDB stores data across multiple partitions, which are like little buckets holding parts of your data. Each partition can handle up to 3,000 read capacity units or 1,000 write capacity units per second. When traffic is evenly spread, everything runs smoothly. But if one partition gets a lot more traffic than others, it becomes a hot partition, risking throttling or delays. Adaptive capacity automatically detects these hot partitions and adjusts their throughput capacity instantly. This means if one partition is receiving a lot of writes or reads suddenly, DynamoDB increases its capacity on the fly. The key point is that this adjustment happens immediately, not over minutes or hours. This quick response helps keep your Lambda functions running smoothly, even during traffic spikes. When you connect DynamoDB with Lambda, the combination is powerful. Lambda can process data changes from DynamoDB streams in real time. But if a lot of data arrives at once, and some partitions get overwhelmed, adaptive capacity steps in to prevent throttling. For example, if a specific partition is getting 150 write capacity units per second while others are quiet, adaptive capacity boosts that partition's throughput right away. This feature is especially helpful because it reduces the need for manual capacity planning. You don't have to guess how much throughput your hottest partition will need. Instead, you set your overall table capacity, and DynamoDB handles the distribution. If you use on-demand capacity mode, DynamoDB automatically scales up or down based on your actual workload, making bursty traffic easier to manage. To get the most out of adaptive capacity, make sure your partition keys are well chosen. Using diverse and evenly distributed keys prevents all your data from piling into a few partitions. Also, batching your Lambda operations and reducing payload sizes can help avoid unnecessary capacity consumption. If you encounter issues with Lambda retries or throttling, adjusting your retry limits or optimizing your data can make a difference. In short, DynamoDB adaptive capacity is a key feature that keeps your serverless applications running smoothly during unpredictable traffic surges. It automatically spreads the load across partitions, ensuring your Lambda functions can process data without interruption. This makes building scalable, event-driven systems much easier and more reliable in the cloud.